Hello? See some strange noises, man. They're talking and weird. Like that cat sound over there.
Yeah, I heard that.
Did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that.
They're like, oh, eh. Then we kept moving.
That's weird, eh?
Yeah. That laugh, Jason, was weird.
Yeah,
back there. And then we had the tree knock, but I think we missed out on the tree knock, didn't we?
Yeah.
We just missed out on it.
We turned off our cameras.
We turned the cameras off for have a break for like 2 minutes. Yeah. And just as we did that, it was a tree knock.
Yeah, it was a weird laugh, eh? I don't know, I was a bit shocked about it.
Yeah, no, it's weird. Did you hear that?
Yeah, what was that?
That's what I'm saying to you. They sound like a female doing a like a laugh before. And then there was a tree knock.
Yeah, we missed the tree knock.
Yeah, unfortunately we missed a tree knock. It was a good tree knock too. There's a lot of voices in that around here today, eh? Very nice weather for it though.